Alright guys, well I'm at the top right here. It's pretty breezy up here. This right here is the very top of this waterfall. Alright. Like usual, always want to get closer. Because, I don't know, I just like being closer. Closer is cool. Wow, guys. Look at that. Empties out right there. We've got a few waterfalls on the side right here. Big one right here. These are moving it up. Maybe class 4 or 5 rapids. Wow. Big old rapids right here. Jeez, I can't even believe these. I can't even believe it. So big. Right now I'm probably about 80 feet up. Jeez. About to fall off right here. Don't want to do that. Jeez, this thing is so big. Wow. Look at all that. All of that build up right there. Oh jeez. It's huge. Hopefully that's the trail up there. But we'll find out in a second. Alright guys. Might be a few more videos. But again, this is Cha-Cha 3531 signing out. See you guys.